I'm gonna rebuild my kayak stand, so I'm going over my kayaks. This here is my 20-foot Kevlar kayak. As you can see, it ends way over there. This is a 12-foot boat over here. So you can see. I'll insert a picture of it right here. All right, these are the current kayaks I have. Here's my stand. I'm gonna rework that booger right now. All right, these are my kayaks. This is what I have at the moment. This is a Pelican Catch 110 with the pedal drive. I bought this thing with the intention of selling it, and I liked it so much I kept it. But I like the way it's laid out so much that I wanted to find me a Catch 130. And guess what? I found one. This one came with the battery box and a troll motor mount. Today I'm going to go meet him to get the rudder from him. So I've already designed and built my own DIY pedal drive for it. And over here we got the Feel Free Lure 11.5, and it's got that gravity seat. That is nice. I really like that. I added a rudder to it because kayaks with a rudder are freaking amazing. You see, I'm in the process of doing a rudder on that one. I'm actually thinking about upgrading the wheel. If I can get that wheel to fit, that's what I'm going to use. Anyway, this is a Feel Free Lure 11.5, and over here I've got a Feel Free Moken 14, which is the big daddy of this one. And you can tell this one's kind of wide, this one's kind of narrow. So this one is a little sleeker, but this one's more stable, more comfortable, and I guess the reason I made it more stable was because of the seat. And then over here I got my Trident 13. If you can find these at Walmart, they're just clip-on lights. I think like $6 or $8. It comes with 2 red ones and 2 white ones. And these things are cool. Look, one click starts with fast blinking, slow blinking, and then solid. So you could just have these in your bag. You could buy one for each kayak. Anyway, this is a Trident 13. This one had a crack when I got it, and I fixed it. That was 5-6 years ago, and I've never had a problem with it. So if you can find one of those oversized crates, they fit perfect in the back well. And then I took a regular crate, and I think I cut out like 2.5 inches of the middle of it, zip tied it back together, and it fits perfect in there. There's a video there. Here's a Wilderness Systems Ride 135. I just sold my Ride 115. Here's a picture of it right here. So I just sold the Ride 115. I think within a week I bought the Ride 135. It's had one repair from somebody else right here. I guess they ratchet strapped it too tight, and it cracked from about here right over the top to about here. And it didn't leak when I checked it, so I ain't messing with it. I redid the seats on this, or the seat on this. I didn't have any red or orange pads, so I used orange strap and blue seat. And then over here I've got the Horizon Hydra. This is a 14-foot sea kayak. I've taken this one out, loved it. I've never even thought of listing it because I liked it so much. And then over here we've got the Hurricane Phoenix 160. This one I got because, shoot, I can't even tell where it is. It had they had dropped it, and it had and I can't even tell where I patched it. There it is. It had a ding on the side, like a little crack along here, and it kind of went like this and down. Anyway, I patched that with what do you call it? I patched it and tested it, and everything worked great. It also had, like, this thing came from Houston, so I think it had water inside of it, and it froze, and it snapped the keel down here. I think it was probably about 12-13 inches of it, but I went ahead and patched it from here all the way down to back here. And I also didn't need it, but I patched it on the inside too. That black stuff you saw was just dirt. This is my fleet. And I've got a couple of boats. There's my little water scamp 1. And then I've got an Invader up there and an Intruder down there. An Invader 10.5 and then an Intruder 12. Those are both Pelicans. This is a little water scamp 1. I think it's a 1980. So that thing's 40 some years old. Back then they made things to last. So these are my kayaks. I also got an inflatable kayak, but who cares about that? So, hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1. So I had all my kayaks laid out, and I forgot I had another one down there against the wall. This is my current designs Sirocco. It's 16 feet 10 inches long. It's bigger than this one. A lot narrower though. I mean, this is also a sea kayak. I mean, this is built for ocean going. It's got a skeg. You put this down and the skeg sticks out on the back. I mean, there ain't much to tell you about it other than it's 16 feet 10 inches, and the only reason it's 16 feet 10 inches is because the guy who designed it and built it had a 17-foot shop. So he could only make his kayak 16 feet 10 inches, and that's why he said that the kayaks were the perfect size sea kayak was 16 feet 10 inches. So that's a little bonus video.